The IO psychology perspective adds scientific explanation, organizational diagnosis, measurement, and intervention design to a topic that is often discussed only as a leadership attitude or workplace value by leaders, employees, consultants, and students in general workplace discussions. Thus, a general workplace conversation, leaders, employees, consultants, and students may say that leaders should make people feel safe to speak, but the IO psychology perspective asks more demanding questions like, what specific conditions make speaking up safe or risky? How do leaders behave? Team norms, reward systems, hierarchy, justice, and performance management affect employee voice? At what level does the problem exist? Individual, team, leadership, or organizational systems? How can psychological safety be measured? What intervention is most likely to improve it? How will we determine if the intervention worked? In my book, Through an IO Psychology Perspective, psychological safety is therefore treated not as a motivational slogan, but as a measurable and observable organizational phenomenon that is shaped by leadership actions, reinforced through team interactions, and sustained or undermined by institutional systems. The central contribution of the IO psychology lens is that it transforms psychological safety from a broadly desirable idea into a scientifically grounded, measurable, multi-level, and actionable organizational construct. It explains not only why people speak or remain silent, but how workplaces can be deliberately designed so that candor, learning, accountability, and performance can coexist. Psychological safety is important for trust, learning, communication, innovation, employee well-being, and organizational performance because psychological safety supports voice. Voice improves communication. Better communication strengthens trust and learning. Learning enables innovation and adaptation. Reduced self-protection supports employee well-being. Together, these processes improve organizational performance. The opposite cycle is equally important. Fear produces silence. Silence weakens information quality. Poor information undermines trust, learning, and decision-making. Problems remain hidden, employees become exhausted or disengaged, and organizational performance deteriorates. My book's central argument is therefore that psychological safety is not merely about helping employees feel comfortable. It is about creating the conditions under which truth can be spoken, knowledge can be shared, mistakes can be examined, ideas can be improved, and people can contribute fully before silence becomes costly.